Can a brand new company with no history, no press, no backlinks show up in AI-generated answers next to established competitors? We're testing it publicly in a 90-day experiment. So if your web traffic still looks fine, but AI isn't mentioning you, here's what this week revealed. First, our visibility continues to compound. Mentions and citations across AI answers increased. We appeared in 6 new prompts where we weren't last week. Instead of rereading those numbers, we're going to tell you why and dive deeper. So first, we looked at which pages AI is pulling from, what offsite content is being cited, LinkedIn, YouTube, Medium, etc., what those sources have in common for us, and how to replicate it for you. Here's what surprised us. None of our pages were picked up just because we published them, added schema, and moved on. They only showed up after we pushed those ideas with links back to our site across LinkedIn, Medium, and other channels. AI leans on sources it already recognizes, reuses ideas it sees consistently reinforced. So the takeaway is every page needs at least 3 intentional link backs from outside your site, say LinkedIn, Medium, whatever channels you control is the easiest. Insight number 2, topic mattered far less than structure. The pages that were picked up shared the same traits: answer first openings, clear headings, numbered steps, one core idea per page. The content that tried to answer too many things at once, even if very thoughtful, consistently lagged behind. Right to be extractable. Clarity beats completeness. Insight number 3, AI pickup can actually happen pretty fast. We launched on December 11th, and by early January, around the 5th, AI systems were already indexing our site and citing it, about a 2 to 3 week window, not a long wait. You don't need tons of content. You just need a clean site structure, schema, LLMS text, a clear entity definition, and descriptions. It's often enough to trigger early pickup. But insight number 4, the strongest amplifier wasn't even our website. It was LinkedIn. In several cases, our LinkedIn posts were picked up before the corresponding pages on our website were. So publish your key ideas first where AI already trusts, and then reinforce them on your website. So if you're a marketer, you've probably heard a lot of this scattered advice across the web. One post here, another says do that. We didn't want more advice. We wanted to have one list that we could actually run against. So we built a 64-point checklist that is helping us see what we need to be in and what's silently blocking our inclusion. Next week, I'll walk through it and share it so you guys can use it too. If this is useful, we share these experiment readouts every week. Subscribe to the No Fluff newsletter to get the findings as they happen.